What is up guys, JPR Tech here, and today I'm gonna continue my topic on discussing how to turn our Sony mirrorless camera into a video camcorder. And in this video I'm gonna be focusing in two ways how to achieve this. First, using the Open Memories Tweak app by Michael, a developer that has unlocked some of the camera settings in our Sony mirrorless camera. And the one we want to focus on is unlocking the 29-minute recording time limit that Sony has on their cameras. Now we got two ways to install it. One is to go straight from the browser and plug in your camera and install it using a plugin. But even the developer recommends going through their GUI installer instead, and that's the one I'm going to be focusing because as of now that's been 100% reliable. I never had any problems, and I actually had problems trying to connect with the browser plugin. So let's go ahead and download it and open it up. Opening up the app, the first tab we got is the camera info. Tapping on the get the camera information. If you're connected through the USB, you're able to see all your firmware information, the camera system, everything in detail. But if you do have some problems, just try switching to another USB cable and see if that works. Once you get a cable that's compatible with both the tablet and the camera and everything runs fine, go ahead and head over to the install app tab, and on the first setting is the select an app from the app list, and that's the one we want to go to. So in there you could scroll down and install any apps that you want. Now the one I'm going to do is the Open Memories Tweak, and that's the one that's going to allow us to unlock a lot of the settings in the camera, which is the 29-minute recording time as well as the language. I want to unlock that too because I bought my camera in Japan and it's only in Japanese. So unlocking this allows me to get English settings back. After selecting the app you would like to install, all you gotta do is hit install selected app. Wait for it to download. It will be imported into your camera and installed, and it shouldn't take a lot of memory. It's only just a couple of megabytes at all. And once it's finished, you could just unplug and start using it. So head over to your camera, go over to your applications menu, and go ahead and find the Open Memories Tweak app. Open it up. Right off the bat, you're greeted with your model and your camera information and also the Tweak app's version. But next to that is the most important setting, and that is the video. We want to disable the video recording limit. By default, it is set to 29 minutes, and that is the limit that Sony puts, but you can check that and disable the video recording limit. Now, if your camera is compatible, you could also disable the 4K video recording limit as well. The second step to turn our Sony mirrorless camera into a camcorder is be able to record for a long period of time with power. For that, you could get a battery grip and have double the battery life, or like in my case, I just used the AC adapter that I unboxed and reviewed last week, and today I want to give an update on how it performed in the event I was on. I was able to record for over 2 hours straight, non-stop, and it didn't even overheat. It was cool the whole way through. And there you have it. 2 simple steps allows you to turn your Sony mirrorless camera into a camcorder. If you like this video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up and like the video and support the channel by sharing as well. And yeah, stick around for future videos. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.